Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on guide, I'll show you how to disallow unrated movies on your Mac. Are you looking for a way to restrict access to unrated movies on your Mac? Whether it's for parental controls or personal preferences, macOS makes it easy to manage what content is accessible. In today's guide, I'll show you how to easily disallow unrated movies on your macOS device. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to scroll down and select the Screen Time option. If you haven't enabled Screen Time on your Mac, turn it on and then set a passcode to prevent others from making changes. Within the Screen Time menu, click on Content and Privacy. If it is not already enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. You will now see a variety of options for restricting content, apps and more. Now select Store Restrictions. Then you have to look for Movies section and then click on the drop-down menu next to it. After that, select the Unrated option in the drop-down menu and then click on the Done button to confirm the action, and that's about it. This ensures that any movies without a proper rating won't be viewable on your Mac, and that's about it. You have successfully disallowed unrated movies on your Mac in macOS Sequoia or later, giving full control over what's accessible on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care.